A struggling wordsmith wanders, burdened by debts, toward the ominous inheritance that beckons. As night descends, whispers of unseen entities begin to stir within the ancient abode. A chilling awareness creeps over the inhabitant, foreboding the night's impending terrors. Desperation grips the soul as the realization dawns that the house itself is a malevolent entity. Every stroke of the writer's pen is met with cryptic warnings etched in crimson ink, urging flight from the impending doom. The ancestral voices of the unquiet dead rise with the tempest, demanding retribution for the desecration of their resting place. In the heart of the tempest, the truth is unveiled, and the writer is faced with the spectral guardians of the cursed land. As the ancient structure quakes with wrath, the writer must confront the darkness within to break the shackles of ancestral malice. Through sacrifice and understanding, the writer finds the key to unlocking the haunted past, freeing the anguished souls from their eternal torment. The writer departs, forever changed, carrying the weight of forbidden knowledge and the indelible mark of the ancient house's malevolence.